Good morning guys! So ito, rest day tayo. So may bike trip tayo together with Nelson, my classmate before in college. And lovely weather today. So it's a great time to catch up with this guy. And ayun, we're gonna search for a basketball court. So we're gonna go to St. Relade and sports center sa Le Vaniquí. Vaniquí ba tawag yun? And may indoor siya and may outdoor court din siya. And pagdating ng hapon, marami rin dyan mga nagja-jogging na kabayans. And pagkatas niyan, pupunta tayong St. Prelade. Magda-drop by, take some pictures. Pero may dadaan, ayan, Kaibiyang Tunnel. Ito na yung St. Prelade. So, there's a lot of restaurants along the area as well. And para siyang Santorini vibes, may mga boat and yacht dyan sa harbor. So, after that, diretso tayo ng town to grab some coffee and church. And then, we're gonna go ahead and pupunta tayo sa Millennium Park na nakilala natin si Kuya Jack. And ito yung basketball court doon. Half court lang siya. Pero pagdating ng hapon, marami daw naglalaro dyan. So, ayun. And then after nyan, pabalik na naman ulit tayo ng St. Peter kasi mahaba pa yung araw and marami pa tayong gagawin. And summer ngayon, mainit. Kaya dapat laging stay hydrated guys. So, sana makapaglaro tayo soon. Ciao!